Hello students, we are in the chapter statistics and exercise 14.2. We have taken the first question. Let us read the question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. This is the row for the ages in years and the number of patients who are admitted. And question is, find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So let us do one by one. At first let us find mode. Okay, dear students, to find mode it is not necessary to prepare a table. At first we have to identify which is the modal class. Now dear students, you can see this is the number frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So which has the maximum number of frequency? Yes, you are right, this has the maximum number of frequency. So our modal class is 35 to 45. Okay, now we know the formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we have to write what are these here, what are the values of this. Let us write L equal to, L is the lower limit of the modal class, it is 35. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, it is 23. F2 the succeeding one, that is 14. F0 the preceding one, 21. And what is left? H, the value of H, that is the class size, 15 minus 5, it is 10. Wherever it is uniform, so it is 10 here. Now let us write that formula again. We know mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us substitute the values here. L equal to 35, F1 is 23 minus F0 21 twice into F1 is 23 minus F0 21 minus F2 is 14. This is under the bracket into H. H is 10. Okay, now let us do the calculation here. So now let us continue the calculation. This is 35 and it is 23 minus this is 2, this is 46 minus their sum is this is 35 into this 10. So this is 35 2, this is 11 into 10, 35, this is 20 by 11, 35 plus this is approximately, this is 1.81 approx. Okay, so this is 36.81. This is in years. This is approximate result of mode. Okay, now the next part of the question is to find the mean, then we'll compare. Now dear students, the second part is to find the mean. Let us do mean by the assumed mean method. So prepare the table. At first the age is in years, then always we write the class mark here, then frequency, that is number of patients here. Then let us write di. What is di? The deviation is xi minus a, then fi di. So this is 5 to 15. The number of patients are, this is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Okay, now the class mark, that is the average, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is here 5 plus 15 by 2, it is very simple, 20 by 2 is 10. So that is the mid value is 10. So here similarly the gap is 10 tensions, so it will increase by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Next, now here we have to assume the mean, we have to consider. So there are three, so which one we have to consider? anyone our wish. Let us consider this with the assumed mean. So xi minus a, that means here if we want to write xi minus a is 30. So here 10 minus 30 minus 20. Let us start from here. It will be better 0. Then this will be minus 10. This is plus 10, 20, 30. This is the advantage of this shortcut method. No need to calculate. Just we have to see the difference. Difference is 10. So it will decrease by 10, increase by 10 downward. Okay. Now fi di. This is minus 120. This is minus 110. This is 0. This is 230, this is 280, this is 150. So let us find the summation of fi di. It is, let us calculate, 0, this 80, and here their sum is minus 230 and plus 430. Okay, now let us find the mean here. We know mean equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. Let us calculate. The value of a is, we have taken 30, summation of fi di is 430, it is 80. Okay, let us do the calculation here. This is 30 and this is 5.375, that is 35.375 years. Okay, so mode equal to 36.81 years and mean equal to 35.375 years. We have to compare. So we have compared and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Now how to interpret? If we discuss about the mode, that means the maximum number of patients who are admitted, their age was 36.81 years, and average age of patients who are admitted, it was 35.375 years. All right, students, thank you.